in test class. In the last session, I have told you something to learn. Did you learn that? Yes, what I told, each and every position of the English alphabet, both in the forward as well as in the revert direction, isn't it? Yes. Yes, Ranjit. Go ahead. What is the position of T in the forward direction? "20". What is the position of Yam, Samat, in the reverse direction? Yes, Tushar, what is the difference between vowels and consonant? What is the difference between vowels and consonant? For now, it's 21. Tushar, I'm asking you, what is the difference between vowel and consonant? Okay. Rest are called as consonants. Very good. Okay. We'll come back to today's session. In the last session, we were discussing the fourth chapter for your syllabus, that is coding and decoding. I have told the definition in the last class itself. Do you remember what is meant by coding, Disha? Yes, what is meant by coding, Samat? If I ask a question, no one will answer. Hiding the message. Okay. Samat, what is meant by decoding? Yes, Samat, are you there? Lalit, you are not well. Okay. Showing the message. How many types of coding and decoding? Yes, very good, Vinay. Understanding the actual meaning of the idea. Yes, what are they? Where is Samat? Yes, letter coding and number coding. Okay. Okay, we'll start with today's session now. Chapter number 4 for your syllabus, that is coding and decoding. It's applicable for now Sainik as well as RMS, not for Navodaya. Okay, let us see now what is the definition of coding as well as decoding and how many types in it. Okay. Okay, see here, coding and decoding. Coding means to hide the meaning of any message. Okay, they'll give one word. It means it's hide the meaning of that message. Okay. And then decoding. What is meant by decoding? Decoding in the sense means understand the actual meaning of that message. See, coding is nothing but it hides the message. Decoding is nothing but we should know, understand the actual meaning of that message. Of that is nothing but which one? The hided. Okay, coded is nothing but the message will be hiding in that. Okay, so in decoding we have to understand the actual meaning of the message. Take down this. I hope you already took, isn't it? In that, how the question will be arising. See, in the third chapter you have learned series. In that they will be giving the 3 set of series and 1 will be question mark. You have to fill that particular question mark by choosing the alternative. Like that, how the question will be arising in this is nothing but in this question based on decoding, a word, okay, is coded. One word will be coded. Coded is nothing but it will be hidden in a particular way. The candidates is nothing but the students. The students has to code another word in the same way. That's all. Okay, one word will be hidden. So in the same way, you have to find out the another word. Okay, this is how the question will be arising in this chapter. To solve this question based on coding and decoding, first of all, it is necessary to remember the position of English alphabet. Okay, see, to solve this letter coding, you have to know the each and every position of English alphabet, both in forward direction as well as in the reverse direction. If you don't know that, you can't solve a single question based on this chapter. So I have told you to study both the forward direction as well as the reverse direction. This is how the question will be asked on the coding and decoding. I'll repeat once. See, question based on decoding is nothing but they will give one coded word, okay, that will be hidden. The same way you have to find out the another coded word. Coded word is nothing but one word will be hidden. You have to find the hidden word. How to solve this? See, to solve this, you have to thorough with the English alphabet. To solve letter coding, you have to thorough with the English alphabets both in the forward direction as well as in the reverse direction. And you should know the difference between vowels and the consonant. And the second one, what is the second one? That is number coding. To solve number coding, you should know square and square roots, and then cube and cube roots, and you should know all basic mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as the division. Okay, I hope you all copied this, isn't it? Tanma, you have practiced in the weekend, that's good. Okay, we'll move on. See, this is the order of the English alphabet both in the forward direction as well as the reverse direction. I have done in the last. Coding and decoding can be divided into two types. The first one is letter coding. The second one is number coding. Now let us see what is meant by letter coding, how the question will be arising in it, and how to solve it. Listen now. In this type of coding, we deal with a question in which the letter of a word is replaced by the certain other letters according to the specific pattern or a rule to form a code. Okay, I'll show some examples how the question will be arising. They'll give one coded word, one will be hidden in that. So you have to find out the hidden word. That is nothing but coding and decoding. This is based on letter coding. You are required to detect the coding pattern, rule, and then answer the question that are asked based on the pattern, rule. Okay. See, you have to deduct. Deduct is nothing but you have to find out which one is hidden. Okay. According to the pattern, they will give some rules. Okay. You have to follow the rules and you have to find out that hidden one based on the coding. This is how the question will be asked on letter coding. So it is very difficult chapter. You have to understand. I'll show some example how to solve it. Yes, Samarth. Okay, listen now. This is how the question will be arising in the letter coding. Letter coding is nothing but in the letter coding, one letter will be given and that one will be hiding. You have to follow some certain rule or a pattern and find out the meaning of the coding. That's all. Yes. See, look at the example. In the coded language, brinjal, B-R-I-N-G-A-L, brinjal, is written as L-A-N-G-I-R-B. How with lady finger can be written, the code. See, I'll explain it once. Brinjal, okay? Reverse, take a reverse order of that. See, L-A-J-N-I-R-B. This is brinjal. Actually, the spelling of the brinjal is B-R-I-N-G-A-L. The code is here. What is the code here? You have to reverse that. Okay, you have to reverse the given word. You have to write in the reverse. They have given an example for brinjal. Brinjal can be written as L-A-N-J-I-R-B. How the lady finger can be coded? See option A, R-A-N. That take your book and solve it. It is very easy if you understand the concept. It is a code. The first rule is it's not a rule. They'll only give the coded. The first example they give, in the same way you have to find out for second one, like analogy itself. Ladies, what is that? Brinjal. They have given in the reverse direction. In the same way, you have to find it for lady finger. Find out, take your books. It's slanted. Okay, take it. Okay, brinjal. Write the spelling of the brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Reverse of that. Okay, answer reverse of that. What is the reverse of that? L-A-J-N-I-R-B. Isn't it? In the same way, write it for lady finger. Lady finger spelling is L-A-G-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R. Reverse it. In the same way, what you will answer, you will get. Just tell me that. Yes, you should write. Copy down this example. Let me know once you have done with it. Following what I'm teaching, if you have any doubt, you should ask me. After, yes, option 3 is the answer. Don't look at the option, just solve in your book. This Bharat Acharya, are you getting? If you have any doubt, you should ask me. Disha, Samat, and then Parikshit. No doubt. Good. Take down. Okay. Write one more example. Write for cucumber. Tell me the answer. Take the word cucumber. Tell me the answer. Cucumber. What is the answer? Yes. Good. REBMUC Young UC. Yes, Pranav, correct. Understood the first code? The first code is you have to reverse the given word. That's all. Shall I move on to the next one? I hope you all following it. Is it easy? Yes. Ranjit, any doubt? Okay. Writing. Okay, right. You should be little fast. Bharat Acharya getting? Aviram, and then Arjun. For everyone, if you have any doubt, you should ask me. Shall I move on to the next one now? Okay. Listen now. Yes. No, na. Okay, make it fast. Take down fast. Yes, I'll move on to the next one now. Listen, it is little difficult. How to solve this? In the certain code, sober, S-O-B-E-R, is written as R-A-N-G-Q. How lotus can be written in the code? The first code is what you have to do. They will give the one word. You have to reverse that, isn't it? The second trick. See how to solve it. I'll teach you. Sober. Okay, compare. Take down the first word. That is S-O-B-E-R. Okay, in the same way, take down R-N-A-G-Q, isn't it? See, S. After yes, I'll be getting which one? Yes. See, before yes, I'll be getting R. So how much letter I should go back? That is -1. Like that only. O before I'll be getting N. Like that is -1. In the same way, you have to find out for lotus. Please don't change it. It is for -1. In the same way, you have to code for the second one. Whether it is +3, you have to do it, code it for the same word. Okay, don't change the number. Take down this, solve it. It is little difficult. Take down. I'll give time. Understood what I am teaching? Just you have to, the first code is you have to reverse the given word. The second word you have to subtract it. Okay. See, don't change the number. If they done by -1, you have to do by -1 only. You should not do +1, +2 and all. Okay. Don't change the code. It is a rule. Why, you may ask the question now, ma'am, why should I do with the one only? It is a rule. See, Vinay is asking that how do we know that they'll give what? See, Vinay, the question will be like this only. How they have displayed, no? In the certain code, Sober is written as R and NQ. How Lotus will be written as, so that you should code that. This is nothing, it will be hidden. The coding will be hidden. You have to decode that. That's all. This question, how the question will be seen. The same manner they'll give in the exam also. Okay, take down this. Little difficult. Please understand and write. If you have any doubt, you should ask me now itself. No doubt. Is it easy? Understood. Ranjit, are you getting? Parikshit, Tushar? Shall I move on to the next one now? Okay, Ranjit. Okay. How to write Arpita? Try it once. Bhavish, what a question, man. Try it once. It can't be coded. See, because A, the first letter. My name, it can't be coded because the first letter is A itself. No, before that, no words. I know it before only. Okay, Ranjit. Wait. I learn it. Why? Because my name starts with A, isn't it? Arpitha. Before that, any word? Okay. Take my name and do it for +1. Let me see what answer you will get. Take my name, Arpitha, and do it for +1. Okay. Arpitha. Do it for +1. What is the answer you will get? Let me see what is the answer you will get. Take it my name and do it for +1. Don't do for -1. See, why can't I do it for -1 is nothing but my name starts with A only, isn't it? BSQ. Yes, very good. BSQUIB. Yes, very good. This is how you have to find out. See, if the name given with the A should not do with the plus, because why? The starting name, okay, the starting word itself. See, Harpita, how it's spelled? BSQUIB. It's +1, isn't it? Okay. Wait, Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit.
Ma'am, even I also had the same doubt.
Yes, which one? Why can't I do for?
Ma'am, like,
Now understood, Ranjit. Why can't I do for -1 is nothing but because my name starts with A. A is the first letter. If I minus A, any letters will come? No. So I should do with the plus. Understood? Shall I move on? Copied this, everyone? Bharat Acharya, Atar, Parikshit, Disha, everyone. Getting? Becky, first let me finish this number coding at least. Letter coding. Written, shall I move on? Still copying. Am I audible now? Chuck now. Please reply to the message now. Am I audible or not? Tanmay, I'm not able to unmute you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat session only. I have told you for 100 times. What's your doubt? I hope now it's audible. I'm asking you people, am I audible or not? Please reply to the message. Yes. Shall I move on to the next example now? I hope you all copied. Yes. Look now, the third example in the certain code, road. Road is written as URDG. How the span is written in that code. See, road, ROAD. It's all +3. It's all +3. And you have to do it for the next 3. This is how you have to follow some certain code. Don't worry how the question will be arising. They'll give the code, how to code it. Just you have to know the codes, tricks, how to do it. The first code is written as, you have to reverse them. The second and third code is, you have to follow the rules. Okay, that is how much it is difference. Okay, like it is difference by +1 or it is difference by -1. Like that, in the same way you have to code it. See, R. After 3, I'll be getting U. In the same way, O. Take down in the same way, you have to copy it for swan. Swan. After yes, 3 letters, I'll be getting V. In the same way, W after 3 letters, I'll be getting Z. A after B, C, D. That is 3 words. And N after that is Q. You have to follow the 3 codes, isn't it? Yes. Copy it. Yes, do it for Pushpa ma'am name now. Take it Pushpa. Pushpa. Do it. Let me know the answer, please. Yes, see, Tanmay is having a very good doubt now. He is asking, ma'am, your name starts with A. Before that, I can do it for Z. See, if I take Z, it will be in the reverse order. So you should not do that. Okay, there is rule. A after, if you are taking in the reverse direction, it's the forward direction. It is starting from A itself. If you are taking from the reverse direction, it is from Z. You should not do that. Okay. Understood, Tanmay? Sorry, you have such a long doubt. Okay. Copy this two first and do it for Pushpa ma'am name. I want you people to tell the answer now. Copy this first 12. Check your books now. It's Pushpa. No, no. Ranjit, how can we see? Pushpa. It's yes. Okay. Do it for Disha. Ma'am, in the middle A, what we do? Yes, in the middle A, yes, very good. Yes, we can't do it. Hey, in the A since it is +3, no, you can do it, Bhavish. After A, that is D, no? I said do it for Dishani. Done. This is about your letter coding. It is very easy if you understand the concept. Yes, you can do. Copy 3 examples also. When I solving the question and answers, I won't explain again the code. The first code, you have to find out the reverse direction. The second code, you have to do it addition or subtraction. The second and third code, you have to understand the concept. That's all. Shall I move on to the number coding now? Copied. Shall I move on to the, yes, one. Oh, we'll move on to the next now. Before that, before going to number coding, I want you people to tell the square roots now. Okay? Yes, Disha, start. Start from 2 to 20. Yes, Disha, unmute yourself. Ma'am, I should say. Yes, Disha, square roots.
Square roots, ma'am.
Yes, 2 to 20.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 3 square 9, or 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400.
Yes, Tushar, what is the difference between square roots and cube roots now? Yes, Ranjita, that's great. Tushar, I'm asking you only. What is the difference between square numbers and cube numbers? Yes. Ranjit, tell the cube roots. Yes, Ranjit, tell cube roots.
Ma'am, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 25, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, 20 cube 8000. Hello, ma'am.
Ranjit, I'm here. Sorry.
Ma'am, I told till 20.
Oh,
Ma'am?
yes, Ranjit, I'm here. Okay, we'll move on to the number coding now, okay?
Okay.
Just a minute.
Letter code is number code.
Yes, sir. So far we have learned what is meant by coding and then entered the first type, that is letter coding. We have some example. We have learned 2 codes. The first code is we have to reverse the given word, and the second word you have to find out the basic mathematics. Either it is +3 or plus or minus. Okay, this is how the question will be arising on the letter coding. The second type, that is number coding. To solve this number coding, you have to thorough with the square and square numbers, and then cube numbers up to 20, and then tables. Okay, if you don't know the tables, You can't solve the question and answers based on this particular topic. Okay, we'll move on now. See, number coding. In this type, we deal with a question in which the numerical code values. See, in the letter coding, we have that is name says letter. Okay, it's all on based on alphabet. That is English alphabet A to Z. Here, number coding, it is all numerical code. The numerical will be hidden. You have to find out the assigned value, word or alphabets according to the predefined pattern. Predefined is nothing but in the last example we have shown that. See, the certain code road is written as URDG. This is called as predefined code. They will only give that. Okay, you have to find out the next code, and then the candidates are required to identify the numerical pattern of coding. The given word can be transformed in the same coding. One coding they will give, in the same way you have to find out the second code. That's all. This is about your number coding. See, look at the example. If Delhi is coded as 73541 and Calcutta is coded as 825589662, then how can Calicut can be coded? See, look at here. D. What is the position of D here? The position of D. What is the position of D? I'm asking you people. 4, isn't it? And Delhi is coded as 73541. They have only given the code. And then Calcutta is coded as 825896662. You have to find out for Calicut. Find out it. See, what is the code? In the question only they have given. Combine two codes and you have to find out for Calcutta. Listen now. Listen. How to solve it, I'll say. See, the Delhi, D. What is the number they have given code? That is 7. For E, the code is 3. L, that is 5. H, that is 4. In the same way, Calcutta, that is C. C, for you have to find out for Calicut, isn't it? C, what is the coded code C in the given? 8. And then A, check for A, 2. L, 5. I, that is 1. And again go back to C, that is code is 8. U, see in the Calicut, that wait, I'll show it. See here, see D, what is the code for D? That is 7. What is the code for E? That is 3. Next L, 5, H, 4, and I, that is 1. The same for Calcutta, that is C is 8, A is 2, L is 5, C is 8, U 9, T 6, and then A 2. See, they have given for 2. They have already coded for 2 words. Okay, you have to find out for Calicut now. Now write down the given word like that only. Now compare both already predefined coded. See, this Delhi and Calcutta are called as predefined coded. Now find out the code. C, search C, C that is 8. Write down this 8 here. And then A is 2. L, see L is 5. And then I, what is the position of I here? What is the code for I? That is 1. And then again C, H, U, see U is 9. And then T is where is T? See, T or 6, that's all. What is the correct answer? 8251896. That is option C. This is how you have to code the letter coding. It is difficult, okay, little difficult. You have to find out for the first predefined code and the third one you have to find it. Any doubt in this? Shall I explain once more? Fourth one is the answer. No. Third one is the answer. Any doubt? Yes, Meena, you have raised your hand. You can chat me. Yes, sir. Shall I explain it once? Yes, listen now. See, okay, listen here. Number coding. What is meant by number coding here? In this, we deal with a question in which the numerical code. See, number coding is nothing but it all based on the numerical code and numerical values. Okay, it's both. Number is nothing but they'll not give only numbers. It is both. That is alphabetical as well as the numeric. The candidates are required to identify the numerical pattern of coding. You have to find out that coding that is the transformed in the predefined coding. Okay, let's see an example. See, Delhi and Calcutta, that is called as predefined code. Why? Because they are already coded. Okay, then you have to find out for Calicut. See here, they have only given Delhi. What is the code for that? 73541. And then Calcutta 8259662. Okay, this they have already coded. This will call it as predefined coded. And in the same way, you have to find out for Calicut. Write down Delhi and then its code, and then Calcutta and its code. Now for Calicut, see Delhi. Calcutta, Calicut, there is no C, isn't it? Leave it that. C. In the coded word, what is the coded number for C here? 8. In the same way, for A it is 2, L it is 5, I it is 1. Like that you have to find it. What is the answer now? Option C, that is 896. Understood? Still you are having doubt? It is so difficult, yes. Now it understood? It is very easy if you understand the concept. Yes, Vinay understood? Bharatacharya, Atharv, sorry. How for C8 came? See here, Vinay is asking how C came 8. See here, Vinay, what is the code for C here? It is 8, isn't it? The same, that only I have copied here, that's all. Understood? It is little easy. If you understand the concept, it will be easy. Otherwise, you can't solve it. The answer is exam. How, man? Can you explain me once? Okay. Listen here. I'll explain once more. Listen. See here, Delhi. Okay, what is the code for Delhi now? 73541. It's for Delhi. And then Calcutta, that is 8, 2, and then 5, 8, 9, 6, 6, 2. Isn't it? You have to find for Calicut. Now compare both the coded. This Delhi and then Calcutta is called as predefined code. Why? Because it is already coded. Now you have to decode. Okay, you have to find out for Calicut. Now see C. Search here. What is the number given for C? The coded number, that is 8. See, for write down Calicut here. That is 8. Why I have to 8 only? Because they have already coded. And then A. Take down 8 is not the position, that is a coded number. And then L. See here, 5. And then I it is 1. And then C, again it's C, that is 8. U, C search U, that is 9. And then T is 6. So given option 8251986. What are the code you have got by decoding Calicut now? 8251896. Understood now, Vinay? Now also if you have doubt. Arjun, explain it. Explain how is it? How it is 8251896. This is only the first question. Yes, Arjun, wait. Yes, Arjun, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, in the solution part, the answer is 2, 8, 2, 5.
Where to there?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I saw the upper one.
Then you have to look at the question properly and then you should answer the question. Understood now? I'm asking you, Arjun. Arjun? Oh. Shall I move on to the next one? It's understood. Shall I explain it once? It is little difficult. Okay. Now, wait. Yes, sir. Time up. Okay. One question. We'll solve one question. Wait. Okay. Find out the code for CUT cut. CUT cut. Find out the code now. Let me see if you have understood or not. Find out the code, number code now. CUT cut. 896 is very good. This is how you have to find out. Yes, 896. Find out for okay. See, find out for Lalit. Lalit. L-A-L-I-T-H. Find out the code for Lalit. Let me see who will answer this. Lalit, I hope 896S. Find out for Lalit. See, use the predefined code Delhi, Kolkata and Calicut 3 also. Find out the code for Lalit. Yes. Atar, what are you getting? Pranam, you should tell once. It's more than enough. Vinay, is this correct answer? Different answers. Tushar, 525146. Now, what is the position of L? Coded word. That is 5. A is 2. Again L, that is 5. Disha, totally wrong. How come it is 2? I'm not telling to find out the position of the letters. Please code it. Tushar, A nintale 5. Yes, L it is 5. Good. Disha, I'm telling to find out the word that is Lalit. You should code for that word. Bharatacharya, how come it is 2 pan? Where you left L? See the coded word for Lalit. What is the spelling of Lalit? L-I-L-L-A-L-I-T-H, isn't it? The coded word for L, that is 5. The coded number for 8, that is 2. Again L, that is 5. I, that is 1. T, 6. And then H. H, what is the coded for H now? H, that is 4. So your answer is 525164. Am I right? 525166. How can it 6? See the code for Delhi. There you will find out the word H. H, that is 4, isn't it? Your answer is 525164. Yes, the spelling is L-A-L-I-T-H. Tanmay, I know that. It's done. Your answer is 525164. You have to code the numbers. Okay. It's time up. In the next class, I'll teach you some more codes. Okay, you should not forget these codes. Write it in the book. I hope you all understood today's concept. Thank you all. Thank you for attending the session. Bye-bye.